Welcome everyone, this is Sanjeev Arora, Principal Consultant at Quasar Apps, presenting you Library Catalog Management application. This application enables special libraries within an organization manage their research materials like books, journals, electronic records within SharePoint in a very simple and cost-effective manner. This demo concentrates mainly on the library users modules, which are non-administrative areas of the library catalog management. So the home tab, where I can see my reference question, my purchase request, or the OPAC section, which is the library open public access catalog. Here we have an any word search field where I can type in a word and look for that term within the library catalog. And what I see here is my results are grouped by location. If I wanted to group them and see them in a format type view, I can just switch my view by clicking on the view menu. What I also see here is the format type book. I can quickly drill down to it and look at the record that I'm interested in right in the entirety of the results screen without having to load different pages. So here I have a bibliographic view of the item where there is a cover image, there are some URLs and an electronic resource. So here I have a table of contents. So before I even go into reserving this item, I would know if this is something that I need. We can also flip through and look at different record types. So if I was looking at a video item which we may have in our collection, I can just jump to that right in here without worrying about loading different screens or going to different websites. So here the video is playing right in the interface that I'm using. So very easy to use and interface with a lot of power given to the end user without affecting the SharePoint platform. So if as a user I wanted to group this information by language, I can just go and drag the language there, and not only now I have my records grouped by the format, but also within as language. So if I was only looking for English, I can just drill it down to that particular record. We can also use this powerful filter. So if I was only looking for Toronto in my location, I can change that to equals to Toronto and apply that filter. Now I only have items left which are available in Toronto. So with this powerful search results page, I'm going to jump onto the other area, which is the My Reference Questions area. And as a patron, I can submit reference questions to the library, or I can email the reference questions to colleagues once they've been answered. So I can create a new reference question right in here if it was for internal research, upload an attachment to it, and it will get submitted to the library information manager or the knowledge manager or the research consultant that we may have in an organization. As soon as a new item is submitted, it actually ends up in the recent submission automatically, which is accessible to the library administrator as well. And when something is answered, you will see that request under the answered status, and you will be able to access your answer right here, which saves you a lot of time and sending emails back and forth and lose track of information. So a very intuitive, similar interface where you can group your information and drill it down if your questions and the portal is growing. The same features apply to the purchase requests area, where I can submit a purchase request if I needed to order a book, or if there was some research material I needed to get because of the research project that I'm working on. This could get directly sent out to the library administrator again, and once it's answered or once it's dealt with, you would see that status right in your portal without having to go to different locations and sending emails. So in a nutshell, this is the application interface for library patrons, and we'll be doing our next demonstration for library management module. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.